The capital of the U.S. state of Georgia is Atlanta. Many significant recent events have taken place in this huge urban environment. Among them were the American Civil Rights Movement, the 1996 Summer Olympics, and the American War. Thank you for visiting ZE. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. The city is worthwhile visiting and seeing because of all these significant events, as well as many, many more. And discovering. We've included links in our list of the top 10 things to do in Atlanta before we begin. The explanation of numerous ticket and attraction pricing alternatives at a discount, be sure you look at those. 10. The Centennial Olympic Park is ranked 10th. This 21-acre park, which was constructed for the 1996 Summer Olympic Games, offers a number of no-cost, entertaining. Throughout the year, there is family entertainment available, including its concerts, family fun days, and fireworks holiday and lights festival with an ice skating rink, 4th of July celebration, spectacular fountain displays, among other things. In addition to holidays, for a stroll, the Centennial Olympic Park is ideal. In the elaborate sceneries, water gardens, and statues. 9. Legoland Discovery Center Atlanta is ranked 9th. The Legoland Discovery Center in Atlanta is a colorful, imaginative, and enjoyable Lego world. Households with children in them. This indoor attraction offers a variety of informative and engaging activities. Will stimulate the imaginations of children with 2 unique rides, several interactive play spaces, and a special 4D theater. This is a wonderful location to visit regardless of age, with attractions for both kids and adults. You are old. 8. Investigate the world of Coca-Cola at position 8. This entertaining exhibit in Pemberton Place explores the Coca-Cola beverage and brand worldwide. The ages. When you visit the museum, you'll discover how the beverage was first created, but the beverage's renowned flavor and current manufacturing procedure are based on a secret formula. Additionally, there is the opportunity to view a variety of souvenirs and Coca-Cola related items, commemorating people's experiences with Coca-Cola through artifacts and 4D Theater the Globe. Seven. The Atlanta Botanical Garden is ranked 7th. The Atlanta Botanical Garden is a verdant urban paradise. Take pleasure in strolling through the orchid display house or across the 600-foot-long canopy walk. Bridge. Atlanta Botanical Garden is a gorgeous 30 acres of indoor space next to Piedmont Park. And outdoor-themed gardens, as well as strolling routes, brooks, woodlands, and fern glades. The Dorothy Chapman Fuqua Conservatory, which houses a sizable collection of tropical plants, is a feature. Deserts and rainforests from all across the world. 6. The Fernbank Science Center is ranked 6th. The DeKalb County manages the Fernbank Science Center, a museum and woodland facility. A school system that promotes knowledge of science, technology, and how things work in accordance with nature. Visitors can view dinosaur skeletons, living animals, and an actual Apollo spacecraft at the museum. To see. Except for the planetarium and the majority of the seasonal exhibits, admission to the center is entirely free. Activities and exhibits are free of charge. 5. The Zoo Atlanta is ranked 5th. Through a distinctive approach, Zoo Atlanta aims to promote appreciation for and protection of wildlife. Mix of educational and family-friendly outdoor activities. Species that are highly endangered and on the verge of extinction, as well as well-known native animals. More than 1,000 species from throughout the world can be seen up close at the zoo. World. Giant pandas, one of the largest zoological populations in North America, are among the zoo's standout exhibits. Of great apes, as well as a premier location for the treatment and research of reptiles and amphibians worldwide. 4. Piedmont Park is positioned 4. Piedmont Park in Midtown, next to the Atlanta Botanical Garden, is the ideal location to pass a leisurely afternoon. The park, which covers more than 200 acres, offers a variety of activities, such as walking, as well as walking trails, dog parks, picnic areas, playgrounds, tennis courts, and a public pool. Saturday farmers market and a pool. Piedmont Park, due to its size, also hosts a number of Atlanta's prominent events, including Atlanta Pride, the Atlanta Jazz Festival, and the Atlanta Dogwood Festival. 3. Stone Mountain Park is ranked 3rd. Stone Mountain Park, which spans 3,200 acres, is home to a number of family-friendly attractions. But for many, the real attraction here is the Confederate /S memorial carving. This carving shows 3 Confederate heroes and is the largest high-relief sculpture in the entire globe. A wildlife preserve, a cable car trip, 2 golf courses, and various more amenities are also available. Eateries and a visitable antebellum plantation. 2. The CNN Atlanta Studio Tour is ranked 2nd. The Studio Tour is a 50-minute guided walking tour that offers insight into the creative process. Come observe firsthand how CNN gathers and reports the news in the newsrooms and studios. Your educational tour guide will teach you about CNN's past, and you'll visit a control room theater where you'll discover all there is to know about the production of newscasts. Visit a special effects studio after that to observe how weather maps and on-air graphics are created, are produced. View real-time news streams, observe reporters at work in the CNN newsroom, and perhaps even observe live news broadcasts. This enjoyable, instructive tour, which departs every 10 minutes throughout the day, for the entire family, this tour is great. 1. Visiting the Georgia Aquarium comes in first. An amazing 120,000 marine species, including Californian sea lions, call the Georgia Aquarium home. Dolphins and sea lions. The creatures are kept in a cutting-edge facility with a whopping 10 million gallons of water. With water. The aquarium's 4D theater, on-site restaurant, and other attractions are all worth seeing as well. The numerous behind-the-sea tours, which provide insight into how the aquarium operates daily operation takes place. Even overnight stays at the aquarium are available for children and families. They are swimming over the animals. We hope you liked reading about our top 10 things to do in Atlanta. If so, kindly use the subscribe button if you're new here and leave a like on the video. Enjoy your day until we speak again.